Welcome back to my channel! In today's video, let's do something different. In today's video, I'm gonna share to you how I will color my hair pink. So if you're curious on how I will do it and how much talaga yung nagastos ko, then keep on watching. So what do we need bago tayo mag-start mag-color ng hair? So I have here, tada, the hair colorant. So it's a bob keratin hair color that I bought in Shopee. Ang color niya is very red blonde. It's on the other way around. Pero yeah, very red blonde siya. When I tried it in the strand of my hair kagabi, it's not that red, pero it turned out pink, which I expected based sa review. So I bought this with the oxidant. So I think they just repacked it. So I'm not sure kung Bob talaga yung brand niya. But when I tested it, hindi naman siya nagkaroon ng side effect on my skin or in my scalp. So it's fine. So it's a Bob Oxidant 6% developer. Then we're gonna mix this together so that mag-transform siya into something. I bought this for 130 pesos in Shopee plus the 40 pesos Shopee delivery. So actually, when I bleached my hair 3 weeks ago, I already tried putting, what do you call that? A red velvet? A red violet. I already placed a red violet hair color. It's an Ashley red violet color. But unfortunately, ganito yung lumabas. So, hindi nag-affect yung red violet-ish color or the pink color that I want to achieve. That's why bumili ako ng second color sa Shopee. So, I'm gonna try this out and let's see if mag-pink talaga siya. Then, also, dami ko sinasabi. I also bought this one. It's a hair color mixing bowl for 34 pesos and a color applicator for, I think this is 20 pesos or 25 pesos. So, I'm excited kasi I've been wanting to color my hair like rose pink or rose goldish kind of color. So, ang dami ko nang sinasabi, but basically, I bleached my hair 3 weeks ago and I used a 12% developer. So, one time lang namin ginawa. Hindi ko na siya na-video. I don't wanna hurt my hair too much. So, ganito yung naging effect niya. It's not that white na white, but it's fine with me. Kasi, I'll be putting a pink color. So, my end goal talaga is to have a pink hair. So, let's see. And journey with me. Wow. Let's go! Ta-da! Pink hair? Achieve! I so love the outcome. So thank you to my mom for helping me out. Shout out to my mom! You're the best. So again, if you want to have or achieve this kind of hair, you need to bleach it first. As for me, ang ginawa, I bleached it once lang and hinayaan ko siya for 3 weeks before I color it pink. But actually, naging 3 weeks siya kasi na-delay lang yung pagdating ng hair color ko. So, at least merong lead time of around 3 weeks before I put another chemical sa buhok ko, diba? Yan. So, at first, I was really hesitant to bleach it and color my hair pink, basically because of 2 reasons. First reason is that I'm scared na I might ruin my hair. Kasi based dun sa mga napanood ko sa YouTube and then sa mga nabasa ko na vlogs, nagde-dry talaga yung hair after you bleach it and after you color it, which is true. But I discovered something, and I haven't watched this in any YouTube videos or nabasa ko sa blog, but I just discovered kasi meron akong, so yun kasi after I washed my hair, I noticed na nagde-dry talaga yung itsura niya. So it's like this. So there. But I discovered since I had this Lauren 100% Coco MC dito sa bahay. I tried putting it on my hair. Hindi siya malagkit, unlike virgin coconut oil. Hindi siya malagkit sa hair and at the same time sa kamay and then sa skin, hindi siya malagkit. And ayan, naging more vibrant and healthy yung color ko. Yan. Also, if you could see, I'm being honest here, na medyo different, if napansin nyo lang, medyo different yung sa right side and sa left side. So this is more pinkish than this one. Kasi nauna namin i-color tong side na to. So mas matagal siyang nababad sa hair dye. But hindi naman siya ganang kahalata, so it's fine. I still love it. So there, this is my secret. So if you want to try it sa hair nyo, and the second reason why I'm hesitant to bleach and color my hair is because I'm afraid of other people's judgment. But alam nyo, who cares? People will always judge. People will always look. People will always have comments. The best thing that you need to do is to own it, to flaunt it, and you just have to do it. Sabi nga diba sa isang commercial, my hair, my say. Your life, your say. As long as wala kayong tinatapakan na ibang tao or wala kayong sinasaktan na ibang tao sa decisions nyo, go for it. It's either you learn or you love what you do. As for me, what I did with my hair, I learned that I can dye my hair at home. And at the same time, I love it. So there, I know this is out of my context of providing financial tips and investment options to you, but I hope what I did today give you that push to actually do what you want in your life. Even in the simplest thing, like dyeing your hair. Again, always bloom where you're planted. I'll see you on my next videos. Bye!